Dear students, now let us look at some important activities for a warehouse. एक overview लेते हैं, हमने इसके मुतालिक बात की है, ज़रा in depth उसको देख लें. So, what are the warehousing activities? आपको उसके layout से और उसके process में भी we have defined that. You would be receiving the goods, then you would be identifying the goods. ये वो important activities हैं जो कि warehouse perform करता है. Dispatch goods to storage, hold goods, pick goods, marshal shipment, dispatch shipment, and operate an information system. These are the important activities. Some of these activities may be missing in some warehouse, like information system may be missing in some traditional warehouse. Traditional warehouse में हो सकता है ये miss हो, but for an efficient and effective working of a warehouse, you need to have an information system. बहुत ज़्यादा sophisticated बेशक ना हो, बेशक coordinated ना हो. The first thing which can be done in the information system side, आप एक ऐसा इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम अपने वेयर हाउस के लिए बनाएं जो कि आइसोलेटेड वर्क कर रहा हो, उसको कोऑर्डिनेटेड या इंटीग्रेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप ये तो अकाउंट कर सकें कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इन्वेंट्री एंड हाउ मच इन्वेंट्री इज एक्चुअली प्रेजेंट इन दैट वेयर हाउस, और उसको अकाउंट कर सकें कि आपने रिसीव कितना किया और उसको डिलीवर कितना किया वहां पे. तो दैट इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट. और उसके साथ साथ देन यू कैन गो फॉर द सोफिस्टिकेशन लाइक यूजिंग RFIDs और इंटीग्रेटिंग इट विद द अदर सप्लाई चेन functions. So the first part is actually to receive goods, accept goods from outside, transportation or attached factory and accept responsibility. ये क्रॉस डॉक की तरह आपकी अटैच्ड फैक्ट्री के साथ भी हो सकता है और बाहर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के वजह से भी आपके पास जो है वो पहुंच सकती है. बट द थिंग इज व्हेन यू आर रिसीविंग द गुड्स, you are actually taking the responsibility that now these goods are my responsibility. Then check the goods against an order and the bill of loading. आपने goods को उसके against check किया, check the quantities, उसकी quantities को verify किया, and check for damage and fill out damages, whether there are damages in it or not, और उसके fill out, how would you fill the damages out. Damage report if necessary, अगर ये requirement है. Inspect goods if required. Sometimes quality assurance भी आप कर सकते हैं उसके लिए, and if it is there, then you need to inspect the items as well. Then you need to identify the goods. Items are identified with the appropriate stock keeping units, SKU number. It would be the part number. And the quantity received record. उसके through आप identify करेंगे goods को कि which SKU as per the part number is this. Then you have to dispatch goods to storage. Goods are sorted and put away. Put away is the strategy like picking. आप put away करते हैं temporary bin से permanent shelf या permanent bins में transfer कर देते हैं items को. Hold goods, that means to store them. Goods are kept in storage and under proper protection until needed. Protection would be right. Obsolete नहीं हो जानी चाहिए, damage नहीं हो जानी चाहिए. So material handling methods would be involved in holding the items. That means the storage of the items. Then you need to pick goods. Pick goods would be the vice versa situation for the put away kind of a scenario. Goods are sorted and put away. Marshal the shipment. That is, goods are kept in storage and under proper protection until needed, and then you will actually put them in for this shipment. Shipment के लिए ready करने से क्या मुराद है? You will prepare them for the shipment